So here I have the main ChatGPT browser screen. So I'm just going to type in an instruction here. I'm going to say, here is the REST API specification. Use this base URL, http /localhost imVision API /API. I'm not putting my own private IP address there. Create a HTML JavaScript program which shows a table-based report with the following columns, with these columns: room, device, MAC address, and device type. And then I'm going to also say the API uses HTTP basic authentication. So I'm just going to put in username and password. I'm not going to provide my own private credentials. Then I'm going to say the device name is in the space.name field, and the ID of the room is in the parent ID of the device. And the device in the report should be only where concrete asset type equals device. And these are specifics to the API function that I'm giving to ChatGPT, so it can find the right date in the right place. And then also I say the report should be CSS styled, so it's in a nice table format. And the output should be filtered to only include where the room is area aberta. So I'm filtering the results just to show one location. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the specification for the API or the REST API function, and I'm going to paste that into ChatGPT so it has the details of the API spec. As soon as I press the button, then ChatGPT provides me with the full program, the full code, JavaScript, HTML program to generate that report for me. And then at the end, it gives just some hints and tips. Don't forget to change the credentials and the IP address and so on. So I'm going to scroll up and copy that code into my clipboard. Then I'm going to open up a text editor and paste in that code into a normal text editor, and change the credentials to my own private credentials and the local host to my own private IP address. Then I'm going to save that file to the inetpub webroot folder. That's where the web pages are on my imVision server. I'm going to save that file. And then as soon as I save that, I'm going to open up a browser, open up a new window browser tab. I'm going to put in that URL with imVision report.html, and as soon as I press return, that JavaScript program generates the report using the imVision REST API function.